In 1996, Purdue Pharma launched OxyContin, a drug that would change America forever. Owned by the wealthy Sackler family, Purdue promised a revolutionary painkiller.
Sales reps were trained to tell doctors OxyContin was less addictive than other opioids.
This pen is for you, doctor, and a free lunch.
Thank you.
And for you, doctor, OxyContin is very safe. I see.
Sales exploded from $45 million in 1996 to over $3 billion a year. The secret was the 12-hour slow release, or so they claimed. The Sacklers pushed for massive prescriptions while extracting billions from the company. Reps earned huge bonuses for hitting high-volume prescribers in small towns.
Yes! The crushed up!
They marketed as having less than 1% addiction risk, a claim with zero evidence. Doctors flooded the market with prescriptions for back pain, arthritis, even minor issues.
Within years, OxyContin became the most prescribed opioid in America. Patients trusted their doctors and the drug company. While sales soared, the Sacklers quietly withdrew over $10 billion.
Purdue says we call it abuse-resistant. Purdue told reps to downplay addiction and call it abuse-resistant.
Abuse-resistant, not addictive. Got it.
Downplay addiction. Safety first. Their marketing created the myth that opioids were safe for everyday pain. The label is approved. Any objections?
None. The data looks solid.
The FDA approved the misleading label, a decision they would later regret. Pill mills exploded in small towns across America. The epidemic started in rural areas and quickly spread nationwide. Overdose deaths began to skyrocket as addiction took hold. Families started losing loved ones to addiction and overdose. Internal warnings were ignored by Purdue executives. In 2007, Purdue pleaded guilty to misbranding and paid $600 million.
The plea is accepted. The fine is imposed.
To another year record profits.
But the company continued the same tactics for years after.
This shipment needs to go out tonight. Copy that.
Federal investigations uncovered the full scale of the deception. The lie was finally cracking wide open.
Hundreds of thousands of lives were lost to opioid overdoses.
Communities were torn apart, especially in small towns.
The Sacklers knew their drug was addictive and pushed it anyway.
And now states are filing massive lawsuits against Purdue and the Sacklers.
Sacklers must be held accountable for this crisis. This ends now.
Purdue filed for bankruptcy in 2019 as lawsuits mounted.
Victims and families demanded justice from the Sackler family. This is for my son Nads. Justice Nads for.
The evidence showed the Sacklers knew and profited anyway. The defendants are found guilty on all counts.
Over $10 billion were pulled out while the crisis raged. The human cost was immeasurable. America was in the grip of the worst drug crisis in modern history.
Brave insiders and journalists exposed the truth.
All 50 states sued Purdue and the Sacklers.
The empire built on lies was finally crumbling.
In 2025, the Sacklers agreed to a historic $7.4 billion settlement.
They paid $6.5 billion and gave up ownership of Purdue.
Billions will now fund treatment, prevention, and victim support.
Stronger regulations now limit opioid marketing.
You're getting stronger every day.
I can feel it. Your progress is inspiring.
I feel hopeful.
Corporate greed was finally held accountable. But the fight against addiction continues every single day.
This is one chapter in the corporate crime series.
Which corporate crime should I expose next? Tell me below. Like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.
Because when corporations put profit over people, we all pay the price.
Thanks for watching. Stay informed and stay safe.
See you in the next episode.